Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can buy Bitcoin in Philippines. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get on this website called Coinbase. Coinbase is going to allow you to buy Bitcoin from Philippines, and if you're gonna register through the link I gave you in the description, you will get $10 for free if you invest $100. So that's a really good deal. Now, when you would come here to Coinbase, that's like bonus for you. And how we can buy. So I'm in Coinbase, I can simply click view asset on Bitcoin and buy 100 of Bitcoin, and I can pay with my card or your wallet. I'm from Europe, so that's a euro, and I'm going to click review buy here. And now as you can see, Coinbase fee, that's like of course, and then you can simply buy now. And this is how you can do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I hope I provide you some value and guidance. And yep, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.